1.4 liter turbo Ecotech Chevy. This is 2014 year. Step 1, pop hood. Step 2, 24 millimeter socket, oil filter housing cap. Leave there. Step 3, lift vehicle. Step 4, drain oil. 13 millimeter drain plug. Tighten to 10 foot-pounds or 14 Newton meters. Then reinstall. Remove oil filter. Replace O-ring. Replace filter. New filter comes with new O-ring. Napa number 27674. New filter. Snaps in. In the box, new O-ring. Lubricate O-ring. Tighten to 24 Newton meters, approximately 17, 18 foot-pounds. Fill 4.2 quarts, 5W30 full synthetic. Dipstick back in, oil cap back on. Close hood. Reset oil life. Key on, engine off menu. Press reset clear and hold. Or press. Flip switch up to yes. Reset clear button. 100%.